Hey everyone, let's start the earrings by painting the canvas paper with gold nail polish. Take few round end triangle kundans and start sticking them. Take few pins and attach the pins using the Fevikwik or glue gun. Glue the triangle kundans to the pins as well. This does look a little messy, so do use a Fevikwik. Now attach a hook to the pin. Let's glue the hook as well. And that's it, you're done. Just add another sheet on the base and paint it with nail polish. Well, I really love these earrings. They are super cute and very elegant as well. Do hit the like button if you love them too. Also subscribe to my channel as well. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Do watch my other videos as well. I make a lot of DIY jewelry videos. And meet you in my next video. Until then, happy crafting!